Overlord.
Yeah, let's get it.
He's the same thing as Dylan, except higher.
A shot. Wait, Dylan's a shot creator?
No, I'm talking about
Playmaking, shot
superstar.
creator, two-way slashing playmaker.
You're not
that
better
boy
than Overlord. I'm sorry.
He probably will.
I got guard.
Alright, Dylan, shut your chest up.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, we're using my ball? Yeah, of course.
Miles, this your ball?
Yeah.
Okay, Miles. Okay, your ball far. Hey, Dylan, you stupid son of a
Dylan, bro, I'm trying to
bitch.
get the point.
Bro, yep. See, Miles, we talked about this. Miles, me and Miles were literally talking about this. Me and Miles were literally talking about this in class. We knew you were gonna ball hog.
Come on, Zeus.
God, this nigga Max, this nigga Max is talking.
Bro, I'm a whole 82 and you ain't even gonna give me a point for free?
This man Matthew be like, oh, you're a sucker. Like nigga, I just got the game. Shut up.
You said, bro, you had the game for 3 months, bro.
Nigga, no, I haven't. Stop telling that fucking lie.
Okay.
Right here, out here.
Damn, you keep putting fucking words in my mouth.
Alright, whatever, bro. Whatever, bro.
Alright, why do you think? Ew! Miles!
It's just my 82. My quick draw's not working automatically. Okay, don't James. Okay, shut up.
Dang, you talk so much.
Oh yeah, Amir. I should have put that up, but
Yes, sir.
Amir, you suck.
That was a turnover on you. That wasn't a turnover on me. Miles, I feel
thought
bad.
you was open. You was out of bounds.
I did not mean to do that. My bad. Ain't like who, like honestly. That's what
That
you
boy
want.
CJ. Yeah.
Ooh.
What the fuck?
Dang, bruh. He did that.
Dylan, you fucking bitch.
Okay, Dylan, I at least want to see.
Dylan getting heavily guarded, by the way. Miles. Miles. Oh, never mind. You got it. Okay.
Yeah, of course the speed.
Yes,
He didn't speed boost. It's a quick first step.
Yeah, that's that quick first step, boy. Nah, I do have quick first step, Dylan, so you can shut the fuck up, bitch.
That was Matthew, cause you know Matthew always talking shit.
What you? No. Cedric said you speed boosting. I said.
Matthew said I got quick first step.
Yeah, Matthew was trying to correct me. Yeah.
Cedric, what are you talking about?
Yeah, Matthew knew what I was talking about. He just corrected me.
See, bro, this is why I can't play with Dylan. He's never.
What do you mean? Dylan's not that ball, man. Dude, he's winning us. He's winning us playmaker.
Oh!
Oh, fuck off.
How did I make that?
Shut up with those long shorts.
Shut up with your
Miles!
That's
Green
all.
and green.
man in black.
Okay.
Right here, bro. Bro, right here.
I know you ain't talking fake.
Bro, get it! Let's go!
Oh,
Give me that block, boy. Send it right here.
I didn't mean to put that up.
Miles, you're selling a bag right now. Oh,
No,
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 get it!
not.
Never mind. I see you, Dylan.
That's so off.
Why would you pass it to Miles?
Exactly. Why would you pass it to me? Like, you're so bad for that.
Dang.
My God, Miles!
Somebody guard up on him.
Yeah, what happened?
Bro, Dylan, you're finna piss me off, bro.
What is he doing?
Right here,
He's not being a good teammate, and he doesn't want to help out the team.
Yeah, oh,
Cedric, right
that boy playing good D.
Say it.
What the?
Cedric. Damn, nigga.
Dylan, jump.
I was trying to pass, but
No, nigga, you was not trying to pass. You have an icon pass for a reason.
I get rebounds over big boys.
Man, I meant to pass.
Cedric, right here.
I get rebounds over big boys.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Guard up!
That's heavily contested. Hey!
yeah.
If I'm picking up on your man Matthew, you go get the boy Cedric.
Matthew's not my man, you fucking retard.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not, bitch. Don't fucking lie.
He is.
Oh yeah, Zeus.
Oh yeah, Zeus, you bitch.
Oh yeah, agree that.
Zeus, fuck you.